In this video, let's see how to use SendX AI to generate email subject lines. So while creating your campaign on the sender screen, you can access the subject line assistant by clicking the star icon in the subject line input. This will open up the subject line assistant. Here in the input, you can provide comma-separate keywords related to your campaign and generate subject lines. So let's say you're creating the campaign for the fresh arrivals in your clothing store. So some of the keywords you can use here is fresh arrivals and free shipping. Once you have typed in your keywords, simply click on Generate and the subject line assistant will start generating the subject lines for you. And once it's done, it will suggest 4 subject lines based on the keywords you provided. If you're satisfied with any of the subject line, you can simply click on Apply to use it. Otherwise, you can also change the keywords and generate new subject lines. So let's say we add another keyword in here and again click on Generate. This will generate new subject lines for you based on the new keywords. And when you find the subject line you're satisfied with, simply click on Apply and it will automatically insert that subject line for you. So the next time you're stuck on figuring out the perfect subject line, let the SendX AI do the brainstorming for you.